Inhlekelele eyenzeke emgwaqeni uHonsneck kushona abesifazana abayishumi nabesilisa abahlanu ekseni namhlanje engozini ebiphakathi kwebhasi neloli. Ibhasi ibiphuma eGarankuwa ilibangise Centurion.
The call was reported to our call center at 5:05, and the emergency services arrived on scene to find multiple patients lying on the ground, as well as some still trapped both in the bus as well as the truck. And they then started with treatment and transportation, as well as the extrication of the injured, as well as those that were deceased.
Ukuthi kungase kube nesiteleka sikazwelonke obekubika ukuthi sizoba namhlanje akwazile ukusheshe aphuthume endaweni yesigameko.
The MMC of Community Safety Alderman Denison has sent the messages of condolences to the families, those who deceased in this particular accident scene, and again is wishing speedy recovery to those who are injured.
Umunyo wesihlobo soshonile uthi elinye ilungu lomndeni lisindile emva ukhetha ukugibela elinye ibhasi.
My other cousin was supposed to be in the same bus, but this morning she decided, look, I'm late, I'll follow you. And then now on her arrival, while her second bus was following this, that was involved in an accident, she called and said, no, there's an accident and my cousin is also in that bus. So it's then that I came here on my arrival. I say that she was declared dead.
Abalimele bayiswe ezibhedlela eziseduze iGeorge Mukhari, Steve Biko kanye naseGalafong. Kucela imindeni ekhathazekile kuba ixhumane neqhamu lamaphoyisa eAcacia ukuthola kabanzini.